going on, guys? I am heading over to my buddy Devyn's house with the blue S13 because we're doing our first test day with it and I'm really excited. If you guys are new to the channel, I'll show you guys a couple clips of the car when it had the RB in it. The car was a lot of fun back then, and now it's got an LS in it, so it's gonna be totally different, but I'm really excited. I can't wait. We're almost ready to go. I'm really excited. Maybe slide the Skyline. We'll see. We're ready to go. Just gonna fill up to 240 and then we're on the road. Here we are. We made it. We're in Mexico. We're gonna have the S13 do some stuff here. The Mustang's gonna do some stuff. I'm kind of tempted to do some stuff with the Skyline. We're gonna load off the S13 and get everything set up for it. We're gonna fly the drone and put the GoPros and everything, so it should be a fun day. That high pressure fitting right there, the silver and black in the center, that line right next to the alternator, that's supposed to be connected to there, and it's a high pressure line and the crimp failed on it. Unfortunately, we can't replace that here. We have to replace the whole line, so the car is down for today.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to make stuff. Snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6
we're all done for today. That was my first ever burnout. I just 2 good ones. I'm really upset that his car broke though. So I think today was a success for me. Not so much for him. It's really unfortunate. I really wanted to get a ride along, but that's okay. We got to drive the Skyline. Devin let me use 2 of his spare tires, so that's awesome. So thank you, Devin. But we're now getting ready to pack it up and go home. So made it back home. I'm obviously sunburnt. That really sucks. Even when we go to the desert and like take the bikes out in the 240, I usually don't get sunburnt, so I just got sunburnt today. Today was really awesome. I'm glad that I got to drive the Skyline home in one piece. Everything was good on it. Was really hoping to get more footage of Devyn's 240, but that's why you do test days, so you don't have an accident on the track. Thankfully it was just a small issue. He just needs a new line and then he's good to go. But the Skyline was perfect. I'm actually like really proud of it. The only thing is I need to like shim the diff. I need to look into doing that because it kind of takes a little bit for the diff to lock up, and then once it does lock up, then it's good. But just that initial trying to get it to lock up is not the greatest, but I think I need to shim the diff and see how that goes. But anyways guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did. Comment down below, let me know what other content you guys want to see, and then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.